Time to go set Halsin free. I guess this time we'll let him live, since we're being nice. Alright, my friends. It is time to resume our little playthrough. So, I recorded a small video, about our trip to see the eclipse. Hopefully I'll get that uploaded soon. It'll be funny to see if I upload it before or after this one. But I opened a beer in that one, so I'm finishing it here. But it's a Voltron beer. I think that's pretty cool. So, if you haven't already, get your PJs on, wash your makeup off if you wear it. You should wash your face either way. It feels so much better when you make sure to also wash your face at night. Settle in, grab some tea, put a robe on if you want. It is stupid hot here right now, so we are not wearing the robe tonight. But time to pick up where we left off.
What to do?
So we freed that guy.
Need to find a way forward.
Do you guys have a favorite tea that you drink or a bedtime snack?
Very well.
I know you've seen me drink a couple of mine.
I'm watching ya. Spike promised that any meat that falls off is mine. Come on! You... Bet you couldn't make him sing either, could ya? I'd swear he was mute if I hadn't heard him scream so much.
That's what you think, sucker. Alright.
Greetings, child. I've met few aside from goblins here.
You recognize the scourge. This man is a follower of Leviata, goddess of pain.
Ah, are you also here to assist with the prisoner?
Don't look at me like that, Karlak.
I was invited to teach them some of my techniques. I live for pain and its intricacies, you see. But alas, these goblins seem to thrive on the crude and primitive. Pain without purpose is a terrible thing. Wouldn't you agree? Exactly. Pain is an intimate thing. It should be delivered with a loving and measured hand. But trying to discuss such subtleties with these creatures is simply... Forgive me, but that look in your eyes, something terrible has happened to you. Because I see those same eyes when I look in the mirror, dear one. We've all suffered in these dark times. It is little wonder you bear scars of pain and anguish. Please, let me alleviate this pain.
I do not trust you, sir.
As the Maiden of Pain, the goddess Leviata teaches us through penance, administered by my skilled hand. My work can grant peace and serenity, the likes of which few experience. It will be worth it. I promise.
Sorry if that burp came through.
I must see this. Don't you dare say no.
I thought you would prove interesting. I guess I was mistaken.
Or below.
Don't go bothering my pigeon. It's mine. Peach.
Clever.
Keep him safe. Listen to him coo. Till I gets hungry or some such. What's it to ya? Hey, he don't mind. Keeps him safe from me mates. Raids make him rabid. Then catch one on your own.
As the symbol glows, power courses through you. Authority.
More than you got, mate. I likes it. But, how much do you got? Pigeon's worth more than that times a Burgundian. You funnin'? Pigeon don't take a craw for that much.
I wondered if going down would work with that last one.
Please, you ain't got that much. Look at the state of ya. See? You couldn't take care of him proper anyway.
As the symbol glows, power courses through you.
This Ranger better not go yapping about my pigeon. I should have turned him over to Mindora by now, but he's such a nice little pigeon.
You guys are gonna have to bear with me snacking tonight. I've got cookies and cream popcorn. My work had an event and they had different flavored popcorns. And the cookies and cream one is like white chocolate coated, and then they put chunks of cookie in there too. It's really good.
What? I ain't. Mindora don't give a fuck what you think. Bah, just take him if you care so much. See if he'll sing for the likes of you, though. Does he think? Here's the key. Pigeon's all yours.
I usually just straight up use the tadpoles, so it's interesting.
Look at this. I'm quite saved. A joy to see a familiar face in such a precarious setting. I guarantee the story of your daring rescue of my person will live on for eons.
Yay.
I intend to do just that. A trusty invisibility potion goes a long way in a place like this. We mustn't tarry, but I hate for our friendship to end here. Please, won't you meet me once we've both slipped the goblin yoke? Smashing! Soon, my friend.
Smashing.
Soon we can share
Smashing,
the flagon
my
of something
dear.
liquid and a tale of daring do. I'll slip away when the coast is clear. See you soon, my friend. I simply can't wait to pick your brain.
Better be figure of speech.
You look like you could kick the ass of half the scrubs in here.
How could?
Bunch of drunken layabouts.
You're not wrong.
No, me though. I'm hard as they come. And I'm itching for another fight.
Oh, you might get one.
Drow studying the war map. Trying to figure it out. You should talk to her. Get the killing started quicker.
Watch your step down by the pens. Walkie's been getting fat on your kind lately.
You're just gonna let me rob their sarcophagi without saying anything?
Seen this mess? Flaming Fist Thuggo took a chunk out me arm last raid out. That last in with it. They were guarding some uppity noble and his friends. Not very well, mind. Drag carried him off. Left the real spoils to us.
Alright. This time, wait, am I crazy here? Bad head. This time we're going to rescue Halsin instead of killing him. I mean, what? Go watch my other playthrough if you haven't.
See? He squealed! Hit it again!
Keep your hands steady, 3.
Stop them! Free me!
Ooh, is that because I'm a druid?
Again! Again!
Is it because I have
Make it
animals
squeal
speaking?
again.
It's staying right here. The beast came in here with those robbers, killed Dink and Minx too. Boss is thinking of serving it to the wargs. But first, 3 more stones. Make it nice and bloody.
Yeah! Hit his head! I want to hear more noises!
As the symbol glows, power courses through you. Authority.
Interesting. I've never done this before. Okay, we're gonna do it.
Oh, you're also, yes, of course.
Something stirs deep within you, hungry and
Yeah, I
alert.
know.
It's taking something you'll never get back.
Worth it.
But I want to hear him squeal!
1. That's a true soul you're talking to. Show some respect.
Sorry, Mum. I'll open the cage for you.
Good. Now they die.
No. Why did I bother that? If I was gonna have to find him anyway, I could have just not used the tadpole and not lost the thing I'll never get back. Whatever, okay. Clearly gonna side with Halsin this time.
Time for blood.
Freaking ridiculous, people. Oh, shit, it worked.
Pardon the viscera. One should cherish all of nature's bounty, but goblin guts are quite far down the list. Not only do you speak with a bear, but you free it too? A true friend of nature. Or perhaps a lunatic.
I have been called
Either
both.
way, I owe thanks. I am the druid Halsin. It is you who should be praised, sister. You are Sylvanus' instrument. And please, just Halsin. I will not demand honorifics of my savior. I am aware. I foolishly left it vulnerable to this rabble. There's work to be done. That look in your eyes. I've seen it before. Are you feeling all right?
Everybody judges me by the look in my eyes.
Oak Father preserve you, child. You're infected, aren't you? The Mind Flayer's spawn. But something's different. You're aware of the monster inside you. You don't bow to the Absolute like the true souls do. How is this possible? Perhaps. But I wouldn't want to place all my faith in blind luck. It's no coincidence that you found me here, I'll wager. You're after a cure for this parasite.
Of course.
I've been studying these parasites for a while now. Ever since I discovered these so-called true souls are infected with them. Someone is using very powerful magic to modify these tadpoles. They're using them to exert control over the infected. I'm sorry to say, I can't undo that magic, which means I can't cure you. But that doesn't mean I can't help. I didn't find what I came here for, a way to remove the tadpoles, but I found the next best thing. I found out where they come from. That must be where these enchantments are placed on them. And it's where you'll find your cure. Indeed. After we dealt with the drow that ambushed us, Nettie and I were able to inspect the corpse, and the creature that slithered out of it. I had no idea anyone beyond their ranks was infected. You have my sincere sympathies. I overheard that the cultists are sending all of their captives to Moonrise Towers. Innocents go in, true souls come out. Given that all of these true souls are infected, it has to be the source for this magic. If you want to find a cure, you must head there and discover how the tadpoles are being manipulated. I wish I could, but there's still work I've yet to finish. Blood I've yet to spill. I've no right to ask more of you. But if you could help me, I'd be free to join your journey to Moonrise. I cannot allow these butchers to threaten my grove. The natural order must be protected.
Wouldn't it be natural for the winners to win, regardless? Maybe the goblins butchering the grove is the natural order.
My thanks. If you prevail, I'll owe you the debt of a lifetime. Rare is the beast that survives decapitation. Help me eliminate the drow Minthara, the hobgoblin draw Ragslin, and that perversion of a priestess, Gut. They are the ones holding these parasites together. Remove them, and nature will cure itself. Be warned, my presence could make things more difficult. I can only restrain my bear form so much. I won't be able to help but attack goblins. If I join you, we'll likely have to slaughter this entire place. You may want to use discretion when approaching the goblin leaders.
Won't I end up attacking all the goblins anyway? I don't mind trying it.
May Sylvanas guide your hand. Focus on the leaders. That's all it will take to restore the balance here.
Maybe they give me a chance to, like, take them away. I have no idea. I hope you all have a very relaxing evening. Like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.